I have a surprise box here. I have a Wantable box. I meant to go in and pause it, but I didn't, so I don't know. I'm probably gonna be happy that I didn't. Let's see what's in here. Hi everyone, I'm Barbara. Welcome to my channel and welcome to an unboxing of Wantable. The styling fee is only $20 and that styling fee is applied to anything you keep. There should be 7 items in here. And I think if you keep 5 or more items, you get an additional discount. And I think it's 10%, but I'll put it on the screen. They give you also a return envelope. They give you an option. I think this is when it gives you the option. Yes, you can either return it USPS or they have a label on here also for the UPS store. And let's see, oh, I have a different stylist than the last time. I returned all the items in my last couple boxes. And I was like, I probably need to take a little break. Well, I forgot. So here's this box. Looks like I have a new stylist. Her name is Taylor. She says, craving comfort, but still want to feel presentable. Totally get it. Me too. It's all about elevated details and soft materials. Oh, okay. So it's kind of nice too because they show you, they give you a photo of everything that's in your box. And let's see, I think it is 5 or more, you get a 10% discount, I believe. They don't really document that on here, but I'll look online. So let's see what Taylor styled for me. Piece of jewelry. I think the last box I had a pair of earrings that I really liked, but I didn't think they were worth the price. So let's see what oh, this looks pretty. I mean, I really liked them, but I think for the quality of them, that I could get better quality like White House Black Market when they have things on sale. Or, oh, this is pretty. Let's see what the quality is. This is really cute. Okay, I like my multi-layered bracelets. Let's see what this looks like. It feels nice. Depends on the price. And I do, like I said, I do compare it to jewelry that I can buy elsewhere. Okay, that's a little snug, but that's pretty cute. Let's see how much it is. Oh goodness, let's see. This is, it's by Wantable, $42. Oh, I requested it. That's the other thing. It will show you if you request something. It is pretty cute. And it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 strands. And I paid a $20 styling fee, which I've lost a few times. So, I don't know. I might have to consider that. It is pretty cute. I do like it. Okay, so let's see what else we have. Oh, we have a vest. I'll put all the information on the screen and in the description so I don't have to keep putting my glasses on and off. That's pretty cute though, I have to say. It's got zipper pockets on each side. Let's see what the inside looks like. It's kind of lightweight. I bet that could be warm. I love the color. That's pretty nice. It is nice. Oh, these are like joggers. No. Okay. Oh, my last video is Stitch Fix. I got a pair of joggers and I got a little backlash about, you know, I guess, like I was being negative, and I'm not trying to be negative. I'm just telling you guys what I personally like and what I would personally spend my money on. These boxes are not free. I do not get these clothes free. I pay for these. So this is my honest first impression. Elastic waist like this that has the gathering is not my thing. I know it's not. Here we go again. They look comfy. They look like they wrinkle easily. They have a little cuff, but you know, you never know till you try them on. So, and they do have the pockets. So I don't know. I wish this had a regular band. Then I might be a little more excited, but And the price. The price will determine how much I like it. It's this. California Dreamin'. That's pretty cute. It's not a cotton material. It's that, what do you call it? Like that modal, or let's see what it says. It's that, it's basically the material that shows all of your rolls. Modal, 94%, 6% spandex. Yeah. So, but you know what? You never know till you try it on. You really don't. So it's like, it's real stretchy. It is cute. Looks like it's longer in the back. Not overly excited about a shirt that says California. I don't live there. I don't know. It's okay. Just keep, oh no. All right. This is cute from here. Very cute, very soft, really soft. But look how short it is. Oh, here's my belly button right here, right at the bottom of this. Oh, goodness. Looks like it. I don't know if that's a full sleeve or 3/4. It's really cute. It's a gray, which I normally don't gravitate towards a light gray, but this looks, I mean, it looks really cute. And you know what? It might be longer on me once I get it on. I'm just giving you my first impression. This is cute. This is a mustard, like a mustard color. I don't have anything this color in a cardigan. Oh, it's the Waterfall. Waterfall cardigan. It's a beautiful color. I don't have anything this color. Let's see. And then in the back, it looks like, see how it's kind of more solid here, and then it's has the ribbing type texture on the bottom. That's pretty cute, actually. Ribbing on the sleeve. Huh. I think I kind of like this. You know what? Let's try it on right now because it goes with this shirt. Shirt is short sleeves. Let me take this bracelet off. Okay. Feels nice and soft. Pulls the kind of the mustard out. Oh, this is nice. Let me scoot you guys back. I wish I had pockets. No, it's kind of, I mean, I'm not a waterfall, you know, I'm kind of over the whole waterfall thing, but it feels nice. Sleeves are longer. How pretty color. And again, I don't have anything this color. I don't know, it's pretty nice. I like it. I like the way it fits. Let's see how much it is. And then I'll tell you if I like it. Oh, I love it. It's by Dreamers, Waterfall cardigan in a heather, I think that's H for Heather, Dijon, size small, $49. Huh. I don't know, I'm thinking $49. I think this might be a keeper. It's really soft. I like it. I know. Okay. One more item. Jeans. Ooh. These are by WARP+WEFT. Something. Size 28. I don't know. Oh, they have stretch. Oh, these might fit. I kind of like these. Oh, they look like they're straight legs. Unfinished hem. All right. I don't know. These might actually work. They look like they're like my size, even though they've got the double button. They look high-waisted. Okay. I'm excited to try these on. All right. Let's get to the try-on. Hi, guys. I'm home. Yes, I'm home. I made it home. I'm so happy to be here for a few days. So I just brought the clothes with me, do a try on here. So let's just get started with the first outfit. All right, the cardigan. I'm gonna back up and show it all to you, but the cardigan, this is really nice. It's $49. It's by Dreamers. This one is a size small. It is the Waterfall. They call it a Heather Dijon, but I like it. I already took the tags off and I wore it last night to dinner. It's really soft. It's a thicker sweater, so it's warm. It's nice. I really like it. So this is a keeper, $49. So let's see what the rest of the outfit looks like. I'll back up. Pretty cute. All right, so I'm gonna take the cardigan off, and California shirt is actually pretty nice. It really is. Even though it's that modal that I don't really like, it is a size small. This is W by Wantable. It's $46. It's nice and it looks great with the cardigan, but the type of graphic is not my style. Mike saw and he's like, no. So this is actually going to be a no, but it is nice. I like how long it is. So you could even wear it with leggings. Just wear it around the house. So it's pretty nice. I just wish if it had a different type of graphic, I would probably consider keeping it. Okay, these jeans. Mike saw these, he's like, wow, I really like those jeans. I'm like, wow, they're a little tight in the waist, but I'm gonna work on that. They're a thicker material. They are the button fly, which is nice. They are high-waisted. It's the lighter wash. It is the 5 pocket. They are straight legs with the unfinished hem. So pretty nice. I mean, I like the hem. The length is like borderline good, I should say. I can do this size, this length. So I don't know, I've had them on for a little while. They're pretty comfortable, but they're by WARP+WEFT, is that right? They're $98. I don't know if I like them enough for $98. I don't know, you guys. I think I have some other jeans that I like better for usually like $78. $98 is a lot. If I decide to keep 5 items, then I'll get a 20% discount on top of that. Then I might consider it. But, you know, let's try everything else on and let's see how it all works out. Okay, I'm gonna try the best on. The best is by B Collection. It is a size small. Let me get it. Here's the best. So it is a puffer style. It's kind of obvious. Pockets right here. I don't like it zipped up. I feel like I'm in a cocoon. Let's see. This is $78. $78 for this vest. I think it could look really cute with it open and then with, you know, maybe long sleeves. I don't like it with the short sleeves or actually with this tee. I mean, with the right outfit, it could look really cute, but not for $78 for this girl. But it could be styled nice. So this one is gonna be a no. So let's see, I got a couple more items. Last 2 pieces, it's pretty cute. All right, let's start with the top. The top is really cute. It is by Wantable, and I love, it is so soft. It is very soft. I like the cuff on it where it's a different color, and I like that it's a different thickness, width, and I like the ribbing on it. And then around the neck, I wish it was longer. It is short. I did that. Yeah, there's nothing sucking that in. And Mike's like, well, just don't do the wave. He said, that's really cute. I'm like, no, I wouldn't be comfortable in it. I would keep tugging at it. But it is really cute. If it's not too short for you, this is $58. This one is a size small. Darn it, I wish it was longer. Because $58, I think it's worth it. I would keep it. But it's too short, I would be too uncomfortable in it. Okay, let's talk about these pants by Thread and Supply. They are $59. They are a size medium. They are very comfortable. They are a surprise for me. They are comfortable, but they're a good length. I mean, it's right at the ankle for just a pair of, I guess they're joggers. The elastic waist, I don't really like this kind of waist. It does have a button and a zip. I love the pockets. The cuff on the side is really nice. Whoops. But I don't feel good in them. They don't make me feel good. I need something right now that sucks this in, and these suck nothing in. They don't pull anything. I mean, they're just kind of here. They're great for just lounging around at home. But honestly, I don't like to wear loose clothing at home just to lounge around in, because then I feel like I can eat more. If my jeans are too tight, then I kind of hesitate a little bit more. But if I'm comfortable, don't hesitate to go and grab something to eat. I know it's an excuse. It really is. But for me right now, I mean, they are cute, but no, these are a no. I won't reach for them. I won't wear them, you know, so and then the bracelet. I already showed you guys the bracelet. And the bracelet is $42 by Wantable. And I've already got it packaged up. I'm going to return it. No, I like it. There's just other bracelets that I like better that I paid less for. So if I would have been able to get the 20% discount, I would have definitely have kept the bracelet because it is really nice. So the only thing I'm keeping is the cardigan. That's it. But that's okay. I mean, for me, that's a win box. So that is my Wantable. I hope you guys enjoyed. I am going to enjoy the rest of the day that I have at home with Mike before I fly back to Cincinnati. So everybody have a wonderful morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever you are, from my home to yours.